Alright guys, welcome back to Manny Mod's Garage. We have another video for you. Manny is doing another job. He's going to be installing some lowering springs, kill switch, whole bunch of things. We're going to show you what we're doing. Go alongside with us.
What's going on, guys? Just like she said, we are very grateful. Another subscriber named Brandon, really cool dude, hit me up on YouTube and said, hey man, can we get some stuff done? And I said, sure, why not? So I told him DM me on Instagram. Here we are. We're going to be installing some lowering springs by iBot, and we're going to be doing a setup to take out. We should actually censor that. And then we're adding a kill switch, so all you haters in Atlanta can't take his Scatpack. Yeah, I'm sure there's some ways you can do it, but guess what? He'll be ready. That's right, he'll be ready. And then we might be putting on a diffuser. Most likely we'll be putting on a diffuser. Something that I usually don't do much, but I'll give it a shot. Why not? And then we're going to get him out of here. We're working on probably like 4 hours to get everything done. So stay tuned. It's going to be a lot of fun. Yeah, they're too rusted and they're breaking. I wanted to get the car catless, however, with the new wide body chargers in Challengers, the biggest issue I see is that they have these little stupid metal steel brackets that rust out real bad. I think I might detail it, wash it up for them real nice, wash the brakes and the wheels, get them looking good while they're driving around downtown Savannah.
The diffuser went on okay?
It went good, guys. Pretty simple. Literally, it's just a bunch of screws. You pop out the old diffuser, you snap it back in. Our buddies over here helped me a little bit. I'm not gonna pay them because they're always like changing it. But it looks really good, man. I got a little Y here. I don't know why. I'll take it off in a little bit, but it is solid, very sturdy. I like the quality. I'm actually very impressed. Right now, we're about to slap on this Wicker bill thing crap, and we're gonna go from there. Lowering springs only took me about an hour, like an hour and a half maybe. not to rev the car, man. Let it be the last time you do that.
My bad.
You need to stop doing that. It's not okay. Okay, so never mind. This customer decided to harass the shit out of me, wake me up at 7 o'clock in the morning. And he was like, hey bro, I don't care what you got going on, even if it's the last day of the year, you're still gonna do this shit. So I'm doing it. We're good, not the cats. Guys, I'm tired. Send me money. I'm exhausted. I'm doing this for like 30 bucks. Stacking them. Look at that. It's nice because up there, he has to do emissions testing. So when they look underneath with that little stupid mirror, they're gonna be like, he's got cats. And he has no check engine light. So there's no way possible that he's driving like that loud. He just has a different version. So that was loud?
Yes, I did think it was loud, actually.
The 6.4 Hemis are louder than the Hellcats. They have a bigger displacement. So now every time I do a Scatpack, way louder. Yeah, and the drone is horrific. Like when you're driving on the highway doing 80, bro, you're barely gonna even remember what you're thinking. I'm like. Alright guys, so basically that's a wrap. We just took care of this car. We got lowering springs done to the 392. We got a kill switch installed like I mentioned earlier, and I just decided to detail the whole car. We put the actual diffuser, the Wicker bill. You guys saw it all. I just want to give a huge shout out to my actual subscriber. He actually came all the way out from Atlanta or wherever he's from. Let me bleep that out. And took care. He actually asked me for my help and we took care of it. Me and Sam kicked. And there you go. So please do me a favor, like, subscribe, and if you like content like this, please just continue supporting me, and we'll talk till next time. Peace.